This is Gain, who is having birth now. I don't think it's a black papalunan. It's a black and white.
Huh?
Black and white.
What?
Oh, black ang tibuklawas. Nyambuk to na white. That's the firstborn. Black and white. Hi. Hi. Di lagi siya igihan. That's the firstborn. It's less than an hour that she gave birth. I happen to suspect that she's about to give birth because she's been whining. And the home and dad looked for a box for her to give birth. With no residuals of smells yet. Only her smell. Din, nanay ka. After 30 minutes, or at least an hour, another one is born. I don't know if it's black and white or a calico. And this is the firstborn, the secondborn.
Sabi na. White na.
Hi. O, nagi maliwat ani samahan. Niguro na ning usa. Ang usa gapuyo pala. Buhi na, isis. Again. Aga ginhawa. Isud man ka mga anak din. Si Kisis lagi nindot mga anak. Di karing usa dark man kaayo, karing usa may pagka fade man. Mayon tag di man sa ganito na may puti ang tiil.
Sabi na.
Bariya siguro ni samahan. 9:03 p.m. About 2 hours after giving birth to the first one. And here is the third one. Kinda orange and white cat. With almost most white. Oh, love na ni mo ng usa din. Padidiha, day. Padidiha din. Nang usa na siyang kwa, usa na sa eluyo. What happened? Ring usa. Then, you take care of them, then. May mamatay na, day. Hindi mo padidihon.
Bigyan gina.
Kuha na tong karton paparulan nga dakos taas kay para ibalhin na to. Then, padidiha din. Nagdisod ko gapot ba? Magsilisod ko rearrange kay